Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tutorial I want to continue with our strumming, and the previous tutorial was about introduction to strumming, so we didn't really do too much about strumming patterns. But in this particular video we want to do strumming patterns, and there are so many strumming patterns that I don't think I have all. I can teach all because strumming patterns, I'm not a drummer, but I feel if you know the time signatures, you'll be able to differentiate between certain strumming patterns that can fit anywhere. So let's do the simplest that we can ever do. So remember the basic chords that we've learned so far: the G, C, D. I believe hopefully by now you're not going to be counting 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. If you're going to do it, don't feel left out. You can still follow along. I'll keep you through. So if you've watched this video, I think down up down, then you go to the C. Remember that I'm trying to play from the first string. G. Okay, so we're just going to do the same thing, and I'll just try and keep this video short as much as possible. So for the strumming, you can try so many strumming patterns that you can hear from music, any music, but try and pick a particular pattern that you can flexibly move your thumb, your fingers up and down. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down. You get it? So down. So let's stay on the same G. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. I expect that by now you are able to play any chord without hearing any distortion. I didn't really mention it in the previous tutorials, but it's in the actual course, so you can look into that one and revise how you position your fingers. Make sure that they are standing straight without interfering with any other string that they are not supposed to be interacting. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Then you switch fast. 1 2 3. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, and back to G. So maybe you can try and go faster. Down, down, up, down, 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 down. I'm not really going the right way. So this is actually the basic pattern that you can learn, but it's not nice in certain songs. So what if maybe you want to play a song but most of your patterns are down, like so just like you're playing drums, like so I'm just one dun, 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 dun. another that same particular part, even if you realize that this they have the same signature. So you realize that they have the same, it's more like the same pattern, but I wouldn't use the word pattern because we get different outputs from how I'm strumming this. So the down up down, let's look at the down up down. I believe this down 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 is particularly simpler. So down, up down 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 down You see, the first part is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. Down, 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 down. So that's basically it for this particular tutorial, this particular strumming pattern. And you can try and go faster. And there are ones that I think it's the same down. Then you go a bit too. So you're just moving a bit faster than you were going. And so try with the simplest, like that's it. I didn't want this video to be this long, but thank you for watching. If you are still watching, thank you, and see you next time. Don't forget to give a like, hit the subscribe button if you're new to my channel, and hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. See you next time. Thank you.